Hi everyone, we're back with another car buying review. As I can see, you guys really like buying reviews of the Mercedes the best. So with no further ado, we will take you on an inspection of the Mercedes-Benz CLS. Internal code W219. This car was built between 2005 and 2011. Personally, I really like this car a lot. It's very stylish and it's very comfortable. When it was introduced back in the day, it was one of a kind, before the 6 Series of BMW or the A7 from Audi. Based on the E-Class chassis of the time, this car is in the core of a Mercedes product lineup. In the basis, it's a 4-door coupe that's based on the W219 E-Class chassis. Difference is that the CLS was only available with 6 cylinders and 8-cylinder engines. Reliability wise, this CLS seems to be more reliable than the W211 E-Class. Probably because the early gremlins of the E-Class were fixed by the time that this CLS was introduced. 2008 saw the introduction of a facelift and a few new engines. Most desirable are the AMG models, of course. The CLS 55 AMG had a V8 compressor engine, and the CLS 63 AMG had the 6.2 liter 8-cylinder. Do not pick these engines if you want to hold on to your cash. They are quite thirsty but give you huge performance and luxury back in return. Now for the reason that you all watched the video. The issues with the CLS. Make sure that all the buttons and all the electronic options, this car is full of it, make sure that they work and they function properly. The CLS 350 with the M272 engine built until 2009, the gears of the balance shaft can split. You notice that the engine will not run smooth anymore, and you probably get notified by a check engine light. Repairs are costly. Sometimes Mercedes will offer leniency. The electric windows in the front will sometimes crack and make squeaking noises, or will not function at all. So test this before buying. The automatic gearbox, like for instance the 7G Tronic, is pretty reliable, but it will not hurt if you flush the gearbox once in a while. Also check if the previous owner did this already. It can help you with better shift times and it can extend the longevity of the gearbox. The Airmatic air ride is fantastic when it's brand new. However, it's a weaker part of many Mercedes cars from the era. After a while, some of the shock absorbers can leak oil, and the car will not be leveled anymore. Repairs are pricey for original parts. You can best put on normal shock absorbers in the car with a spring. That will eliminate the problem for now and in the future. For the V6 CDI diesel, if you hear a rattle at a cold start, this will hint at a worn chain. Timing chain to be precise. Replace this part as soon as possible to prevent more engine damage. Also, the V6 CDI can have oil leakages in the inlet manifold of the turbocharger. Check for oil leaks around the turbo and replace the manifold timely. Thanks for checking out another buying review on this channel. We hope everything is fine with you, and if you want to stay updated with the latest and greatest videos, just hit the subscribe button and we see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.